you guys want to flip the lane, it don't matter with that.
Don't matter. He can pick whatever. We can.
Okay.
Don't matter.
Whatever you guys want to do.
Here, yeah.
How soon before you guys ready to go?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Okay.
10 minutes?
Take a shit. I need 20.
You got 20?
I need 20.
Do I hear 10? All right.
10. If you can take a shit in 10, we outside.
Okay. All right. So, early, what do you want to do? 10? 20? Okay.
10 minutes.
Cool. All right, guys. Let me get...
Yeah.
That was a good race.
Yeah.
That was a good race.
That was it, nigga. That was it.
Hell yeah.
That was fucking it. That was fucking it right there. Damn, these motherfuckers. Everybody paid. These are all my niggas.
I was at 3 o'clock staring at it in the morning.
They're all my niggas.